How to log into your New Zealand Airpoints. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box. Type in your New Zealand login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, yournewzealand.co. Open it. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide your credentials. First up, go ahead and type in your points number or the username. If you want to stay signed in, you can check in for this option. Now click on the option of sign in, and in the next page you will need to type in your password. After you type in your password, you can click on done, and just with that you will be logged into your account. But in the case you have forgotten the username or password, you can click on this option to recover it. Well, this way you can easily log into your New Zealand Airpoints account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of join your points and go through the process. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.